Hello everyone, I am Amit and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about the internship opportunity that has been published by Nestle. Before starting the video, I want to tell you that the last date to apply for this internship is 24 April 2021. That is today's date. So make sure that you apply for this internship before 12 a.m. tonight. In this video, I will be going to tell you about the benefit of this internship, what are the eligibility criteria for this internship, and at the last, I will tell you how and where to apply for this internship. First, let's talk about what are the various benefits of this internship. They have clearly mentioned in their internship scheme that they will be providing you stipend of 5,000, and this internship will be for 1 month, and they will also provide you certification for this internship. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria for this internship. I want to tell you that there are various internship opportunity at Nestle like production, in corporate affair, in sustainability and operating and supply chain, information technology, sales, engineering, legal, marketing, quality assurance, food technology, finance and human resource internship. So if you have interest in any of the above field, then you can apply for this internship. Like I can show you the engineering internship. uh, View details. So they are going to give you 5,000 Amazon vouchers, and duration for this internship is 1 month, and they are also going to give you certification, and you have to work for 5 days a week in this internship. Now let's talk about how and where to apply for this internship. I have provided the link for this internship in my video description. You can check that out link and apply for the internship. At the end of this video, I again want to aware that the last date for this internship is today. So please make sure you apply for this internship before 12 a.m. tonight. That's it guys for this video. If you like the video, please hit a like and please subscribe the channel if you are new on this channel. See you in the next video. Thank you guys.